Okay, we are now on the video for our profile icon up here in the corner. So you click on this icon in the far corner here, you can see these other selectable links here. You have my account, our community access, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and acceptable use. Now, what we're going to jump into initially here is the my account selection here link. So let's click on that. And it'll open up your my account section inside of the system. Now this is where you would handle all of your my account stuff. Your profile details are here. First name, last name, your username, which is your email typically, and your email. So if you wanted a different username, you could also put one in versus having an email as your username. We recommend just having your email as your username, but you can change that to something else if you'd like in the username section here. Then you go over to your billing. So then we have billing here. This is showing that we are 42 cents in the negative. Now, I didn't realize that for this account, but we are 42 cents in the negative, and we have to get out of the negative, and we get an email when this shows up. So if you want to add funds, you would just click this button, and you would add, if you don't have a card in the system, you can just add a card, and you could put in your card number, expiration, your CVV, and you can set it as a default if you'd like. If you have any other options you want to stick in more information, you can do that, but you probably already have that information inside of the system already. And then you would just save this, the card information, and it will then allow you to automatically just click add funds, and it will ask how much do you want to add, and you put in that amount that you want to add. Because when we click it now, put that number, you can put that number in here. But until you add a card, it won't do the charge. And then we have a balance activity. You could show it, find out what's going on with your balance activity. And then we've got debit for the phone number purchase that came out at 70 cents a couple days ago. So I didn't see that until today. And then you have purchased items. You can see what items you've purchased, and anything from programs or blueprints or what have you, any other products that are in our product list. And then of course you can see the price list of things, that what they cost you. And you can come in here and click and find out what phone numbers cost, and how much they cost per minute and the like, for usage on the phones, and then the SMS cost, set cost, MMS cost, and other services, what they cost that you have access to in your account, and if you have an SMS plan in active, which type of plans that you have, and they are charges are for those setup fees, recurring fees, and so on. And that works. And then of course you have your subscriptions, whatever you are subscribed to, what plan you have shows here. So if you have a plan here, if we want to change a plan, now if we click here to change a plan, if there's another change, plan you could change to would be listed here, and you could select a different plan. If you wanted to see the upsells and add-ons, you would click here, and those would show here as an upsell or an add-on to the program you already have. And then your subscriptions would show here, your payment methods would show down here, in terms of the cards that you may have on file to make purchases inside of the system. All right, and then we have settings in your profile. So now you have this access management to allow your administrator and support team to log into your user account. You want your administrators to be able to do that. You access manager, you can click that on. Chat settings, email notification for missing chat messages, have that on, and app notification for chat messages, and have that on for notification of new chat message. And then of course your localization, where you are, the country, your language, and currency, and list there. Then you have your security. And then when you put in your security or click on the security, it's going to always ask you to put in your user code just to make sure that it's you, someone else that got access to your account, and now they're, you know, doing some things and trying to get access to back ends and all that kind of stuff. If you want to reset your password, you can do that here. If you want to delete all your data in your account, you can do that here. That's an extreme measure, but it is available for you. That's irreversible, by the way, if you did that. And then your delegated access keys, being able to do multi-factor authentication. I have this enabled on our account, on our main Speckleflow account. So when you log in, it will ask you to send or to put in an ID number from something like Authy, or some of these other authentication apps that you have available. Matter of fact, if you click on it, you can do either Authy or Google Authenticator, and you can just take your phone and do a take a screenshot of this QR code, and it'll take you to the process of getting your authorization verification stuff set up. And it's really simple, but it'll protect your account, keep people from getting access to it. And then your service usage. Here, this shows what you have access to. Now, you if you have an unlimited account, you'll see unlimited on pretty much all of these as well. Then, of course, the fees for some of the other metered services like email, MMS, phone calls, SMS, and contacts in the system. So whatever you have access to, like, you know, shows a number that you have left of those things as well. This is one way to see where your limits are. It'll show you how much you have left of everything that you're. All right, so that is the My Account walkthrough. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.